A branch is a real, independent line of development, letting you build a feature without touching the genuine main codebase until it's ready. In this video, you'll create, switch, and merge a real branch. This real command creates a genuinely new branch, feature login, as a copy of the current branch's history. This real command moves your actual working directory onto the new branch. Edits here won't touch main. This real commit is recorded only on feature login. Main genuinely doesn't see it yet. This real merge brings feature login's genuine commits into main, combining the two histories. Git branch creates a real, independent line of development. Git switch moves your real working directory onto a different branch. Git merge combines a real branch's commits back into another branch. Create a real branch, make a commit on it, and merge it back into main. Ready to see what happens when two real branches edit the same lines?